Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I started the recording, and it's just because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear, at least I hope they will. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves. So they are in the right upper corner, and then tap on More Settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Reset and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera. First of all, we've got this privacy statement, which is also the evidence that we just reset the settings, because it will appear if you will open the camera for the very first time after purchasing your device. So you have to mark it and tap on Agree. Okay, we've got the location also, and as you can see, and the camera does not have the grid lines on, which simply means that we successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.